Hi, we are Group 2 and we're here to discuss the air-oxygen cycle. Our planet is the product of billions of years of evolution and is a masterpiece of complex interwoven systems. A marvelous choreography, a dance that transcends centuries, exists in the complex web of life that envelopes our planet. We are starting a trip today to learn more about the air-oxygen cycle, which is the result of our thorough grasp of people and Earth's ecosystem. The biogeochemical masterwork that is the cycle is closely entwined with our biological reserves, preserving what scientists refer to as a steady state. However, as the designers of a world that is evolving quickly, we have released a force known as anthropogenic effects that threatens to upset this delicate equilibrium. Chemistry's Les Chatelier's principle makes an unexpected appearance in our investigation of the air-oxygen cycle. We'll use this idea to help us comprehend how human behavior affects the balance of this life-sustaining cycle. But it goes further than that. Additionally, we'll look at the sneaky spread of invasive species, outsiders that destabilize ecosystem and change the basic makeup of our environment. Finally, we explore the enigmatic field of epigenetics, where the environmental stressors we produce might permanently alter our DNA and those of future generations. We are the caretakers of the air-oxygen cycle and of our planet as a whole. Our mission is to comprehend, safeguard, and restore faith in the future of our planet. Join us as we unravel the complicated air-oxygen cycle and the devastating impact of the anthropogenic effects that threaten it. The world that epitomizes the very essence of our research in people and Earth's ecosystem. We will advance toward a better, more sustainable future as a team. We invite you to join us on this journey to reveal the intricate air-oxygen cycle and its complex relationship with the anthropogenic effects that threaten it. The world that, in essence, is the culmination of our study in people and Earth's ecosystem.
The study that led to discovering the oxygen cycle is nothing short of amazing. It is like watching nature's perform a symphony right before our eyes. The oxygen cycle is a complex balancing act between the various plants and animal species that inhabit the Earth. It all starts with the plants, the unsung heroes of photosynthesis. They do this through the chemistry of photosynthesis, which involves absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into the atmospheres in exchange.
However, oxygen is not the only factor. This fantastic process also provides us with the food we eat, the resources we use to build our homes, and the medicines that help us feel better. It is a cycle that keeps all life going, and one of its most essential functions is pollination, which is required to grow our fruits and vegetables. The oxygen cycle ties together all of the different parts of our planet, bringing together the atmosphere, land, and oceans in an elaborate and highly interconnected dance. The oxygen cycle is much more than just a mechanism. It is our lifeline, a lifeline that is currently in jeopardy. Polluting the air with industrial pollutants and interrupting the natural cycle of oxygen depletion has repercussions for the environment and human health. Even more astonishing is that the epigenetic modifications that have occurred can be passed on to subsequent generations. Pollutants in the environment have the potentials to alter a woman's epigenome while she is pregnant, which could have repercussions for both her and her unborn child's health. However, there is a growing danger that could disrupt the cycle. Activities carried out by humans are responsible for the emissions of potentially hazardous gases such as carbon and methane into the atmosphere. The emissions of fossil fuels produced by the factories and cars continue to increase, while temperatures worldwide continue to rise. Diseases and insects that were once kept at bay are now threatening the health of our forests. Rising sea levels are causing flooding in coastal communities, forcing millions of people to relocate and endangering the delicate ecosystems along our coastlines. The frequency of wildfires has reached levels that have never been seen before, resulting in the emissions of enormous quantities of carbon into the atmosphere. This disturbance causes catastrophic weather events such as storms, droughts, and floods, which in turn cause an amount of misery and property destruction. Warming seas and increasing acidity in the oceans are causing the death of coral reefs, which are essentials for maintaining marine biodiversity and producing oxygen. Because of the things that we have done, the world that we leave for our children and the generations that come after them will be in danger. Right now is the time to take action.
Ladies and gentlemen, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in history. Our choices today will define the world we pass on to future generations. We hold the power to make a profound impact at every level, from individuals to governments and business. Let's embark on this journey together with passion and determination. Picture a world where our cities are powered by wind, solar, and hydropower instead of fossil fuels. A world where we prioritize energy efficiency, reducing consumption and emissions. Electric vehicles and enhanced public transport system will transform our streets, reducing emission and congestion. Sustainable agriculture practices and mantra of reduce, reuse, recycle are simple yet potent tools in our fight for cleaner air and a healthier planet. Planting trees and restoring forests will create a natural carbon sinks, purifying our air. Economic incentives like carbon pricing drive change. They encourage us to make sustainable choices, saving both the earth and our wallets. Clean technology and innovation can reshape entire industries, lowering emissions. We must be advocates championing climate policies and sustainable living. Lessening meat consumption and promoting plant-based diets is not only the healthy way but also environmentally responsible. Education and awareness are most potent tools in the fight for a greener world.
In conclusion, the discovery and understanding of oxygen cycle serves as a powerful reminder of the incredible symphony of nature that surrounds us. This intricate dance between plants and animals, particularly the unsung heroes of photosynthesis, plays a pivotal role in maintaining the delicate balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, essential for life on Earth. However, as we marvel at this natural symphony, it's crucial to recognize the impact of human activities on the Earth's carbon cycle and air quality. To mitigate the detrimental effects of carbon dioxide, methane, and other pollutants, individuals, communities, governments, and businesses must take proactive steps by reducing emissions, promoting sustainable practices, and prioritizing environmental responsibility. We can work together to ensure that the Earth's remarkable oxygen cycle continues to thrive, providing us with the breath of life and preserving the harmony of our planet's ecosystem for generations to come.